My channel is all about business, stocks, the markets, and just in general how to make money. But I like to include my personality though. The fun side, the don't take life too seriously side, the part of me that just wants to have a laugh, as you would know from my Instagram page. And one of the things I do on Instagram is I come up to this whiteboard over here wearing my pajama trousers, a funny shirt with a waistcoat, and this casquette, and I write business ideas on my whiteboard in a way that is supposed to come across in a humorous way. I'm not sure if that's how it comes across, or people just think I should go seek some medical help. With that being said, over the past few weeks, I've put on the whiteboard some interesting business ideas, some wacky and strange ones too. And today I've put them all together in one video, 50 ideas in total in less than 5 minutes. And to mix things up a little, I've also included a couple of the funny ones too. I hope you do find it useful and that you can take away from here at least one idea to make you some extra income. Oh, and one more thing, I just want to say thank you in advance for watching my videos, subscribing and supporting me in general. And yes, you too, the one that hasn't subscribed yet. Enjoy. businesses are just a wagon and the components you need to help you reach the destination your mind wants you to get to. Ultimately, and what is paramount, is the will to succeed and the engine to drive you there. Success is enthusiasm. You go from one failure to the next until you succeed. You learn nothing from winning, only from failures. You've got to get it wrong to get it right. People who never fail, never try. And if you don't learn from your failures, you will never succeed.